As the stars twinkled above and the world turned quiet, little Luna, a 7-year-old girl with long straight hair and soft bangs, snuggled under her cozy blanket. Her teddy bear lay beside her. Moonlight gently streamed through the curtains. Tonight, Luna had the most magical dream. With her teddy bear in her arms, she began to float up, into the sky, past the clouds and twinkling stars. But soon, the sky wasn't quiet anymore. With the sound came a loud snore. The moon was lying on its back, mouth wide open, snoring loudly. The stars spun around in confusion. "We can't sleep," cried the stars. Luna floated closer. "Don't worry," she said calmly. Along came a talking cat, a fluffy cloud, with a giggle, and a Saturn-shaped clock with a sleepy voice. "Let's make a plan," said Luna. They all gathered near the moon's ear. Luna whispered sweetly. The teddy bear clapped softly. The cat meowed gently. The cloud blew a soft breeze. The Saturn clock rang gently. Suddenly, the moon blinked, then smiled. "Oh my! Was I snoring that loud?" The moon chuckled. Luna and her friends sang a gentle lullaby. The moon turned to his side and slowly drifted back into sleep. The stars twinkled happily. Peace returned to the sky. Luna slowly floated back to her room, her teddy bear still in her arms. She snuggled into her blanket. The night sky watched over her, and that night, the whole universe slept soundly together, with dreams as soft as moonlight.